English step by step. Present perfect, continuous and simple, step 2. If you'd like to see more videos like this, click like. If you'd like to see other videos on language learning, English language learning, click subscribe. And if you'd like to request a lesson, leave a comment below. So this is step 2 in this series on present perfect, continuous and simple. And in this lesson, you'll find some practice exercises. So make sure you watch step 1 before you try these exercises to check your understanding of the form and the meaning. So there are 2 practice exercises, and you can write down the answers on a piece of paper and then check your answers by watching the next video, step 3 in the series. So I'm going to leave these 2 exercises on the screen. You can write down the answers, pause the video, and then check the answers later. So let's see, what do you have to do? Well, put the verbs in the list in the correct sentences below. The same verb is used for 2 sentences. So decide which one is present perfect simple and which one is present perfect continuous. So you can see for number 1, there are 2 sentences. Number 2, there are 2 sentences. Now, for the 2 sentences, you need the same verb, but you have to decide which is the verb. Here are the verbs: learn, paint, play, speak, study, visit, wait, and write. So you have to decide which is the verb and then decide, is it present perfect simple or is it present perfect continuous for these 2 sentences. And here in number 8 you have a negative example. So you have to think about how do you change it into a negative verb. So that's practice exercise 1. Practice exercise 2 is the same idea with different verbs. Appear, break, catch, do, eat, fish, land, live. Now in this one, the instructions are a little bit different. Put the verbs in the list into the correct sentences below. Decide if the verb should be present perfect simple or present perfect continuous. Alright, so I'm going to leave these 2 exercises up on the screen for 1 minute. You can pause the video, write down the answers, and then check the videos in step 3. Check the answers in step 3 video.